morning to all, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, myself, Shreshi Tiwari of Standard 7th, feeling gladful for having this wonderful opportunity to say a few lines about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Born on 2nd October in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, as a middle-class boy named Mohan. He caused the sea change in Indian history and politics and got the prestigious title as Mahatma and Bapu by the people of India. He was the person who, by holding the hands of people, took the nation from slavery of the Britishers to the door of freedom. Talking about his childhood, he was the son of the Chief Minister of Porbandar, Mr. Karamchand Gandhi and Mrs. Putli Bai. He completed his law degree at Inner Temple, London, and moved to South Africa for further law practice, where he fought for blacks in June 1907 by doing satyagraha. At the age of 45, he returned to India and became the nationwide leader for protesting the heavy taxes system imposed on the poor peasants. He organized a lots of movement such as Swaraj in 1921 against evil social practices and Dandi Salt March in 1930 against heavy salt taxes. And the most significant Quit India movement in 1942 for independence of India. Due to prices of his efforts, his and of other freedom fighters, Mother India got her independence on 15th of August in 1947. Unfortunately, he was killed. On 30th of January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. He taught the valuable principle as ahimsa, non-violence and truth through his life. At last, I want to say that not only on 2nd October, every day Mahatma Gandhi ji remembered every day as by us through following his principle. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti and have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, juniors and all my dear friends. Today I, Shagun Jaiswal from Standard 9, present here to deliver a short speech on Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in a respectable Vaishya family of Porbandar state in Gujarat. His parents were well-to-do people. His father, Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, held high and responsible posts in a Kathiawad, Porbandar state in Gujarat. He received his early education in a local primary and high school. After passing the entrance exam, he went to England to qualify himself in a legal profession. He was very truthful and honest person. From his very childhood, he was very careful about his character.
A very warm good afternoon to all. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, myself, Shreshi Tiwari from Standard 7th, feeling gladful for having this wonderful opportunity to say a few lines about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, as a middle-class boy named Mohan. He caused the sea change in Indian history or politics and got the prestigious title as Mahatma or Bapu by the people of India. He was the person who, by holding the hands of people, took the nation from the slavery of Britishers to the door of freedom.
It's Jasmine from class 9th, and today we have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This is Gandhi's 100th birth anniversary. Because of this struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him who devotes his life to India's independence by using his strong weapons, non-violence, not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but his day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi Jayanti principles of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation the contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devote of truth and non-violence, Satya and Ahimsa ke pujari. In this honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 5th June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister along with his President of India gather here to pay a tribute by offering flower of his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav, Raja Ram, is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, and private office, government organization remain for him. All the schools, colleges, private office, and government organization remains closed on these national holidays. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Fort Bandar in 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law, man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in the UK and then shifted to South Africa, practiced it. After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience movement or Satyagraha. After coming back to India with Ahimsa for non-violence, he fought for the freedom of India from the British rule. It is because of him and other national freedom fighters, India got freedom from 200 years of salaries. Gandhiji being such a great leader, perfect to wear khadi clothes, he never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have a faith in themselves and fight for their rights. He asked the Indians to not to serve the rights. He asked the Indians to not to serve the rights British and fight for their freedom. It is because of this devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He joined Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was already struggling for India independence. During his struggle, Gandhiji has to go jail, struggling many times. He has led to many important movements, such as the Quiet Movement, civil disobedience movement, and non-cooperation movement. Also, he started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930 and 400 kilometers. Quiet India was a call for Britishers to leave India and go. He did great works all through his life, which still has an effect on the people in his modern era. He has worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from society, the iteration of other social evils, empowering women rights, developing the economic condition of farmers, and many more. Thank you. Have a glorious day.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti, all of you. Good morning, respected teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Sunidhi Moore. I study in class 6. I am here today to speak a few lines about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was biggest and great patriotic in India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is the father of nation and people-loving Guardian Bapu. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. Gandhiji's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. They had 4 sons. He returned to India as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom.
Wish you Happy Gandhi Jayanti. My name is Anika Agrawal. I study in class 1st. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putli Bai. He is the father of our nation. We call him Bapu. He gives slogan like do or die.
Teachers and all my dear friends, myself Arika Jaswal from class 6. Today I am gonna be giving a speech about Mahatma Gandhi as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian figure who enlightened the world with the principles of truth and non-violence. He belonged to an age when the principle of might is right. The nation of the country engaged fighting each other when displaying their powers. After studying law, he went to South Africa to work for his client. He raised his voice against the discrimination that was done against the Indian and other dark people.
Teacher, my name is Ansit Mitra, class 1. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. He was great leader called Bapu, whose name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Father was Gandhi. His mother was Putli Bai. His wife Kasturba. He was very honest, soft, and ahimsa. Struggle for freedom. 13 January 1948. He was put dead. Our freedom thing.
Hello friends and my respected teachers. My name is Deepali Chaube. I read in class 6. Today is Gandhi Jayanti, so I speech Mahatma Gandhi. I speech to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was the great follower of truth and non-violence and followed it throughout his life. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was Indian lawyer, active politician and freedom fighters.
Good afternoon, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Mahi Jaswal from class 8. Today I am going to say about Mahatma Gandhi. Below we have provided a very simple written essay on Mahatma Gandhi, a person who would always live in the heart of the Indian people. Every kid and children know him by the name of Bapu or the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is very famous in India as Bapu or Rashtra.